are the Daily Tech Headlines for Friday, October 18th, 2024. I'm Sarah Lane. Netflix's Q3 earnings report was overall positive, with revenue reaching at $9.77 billion. That's up 14% year over year. The company saw earnings per share rise to $5.10, a 37% increase from the previous year as well. Netflix says the crackdown on password sharing and the rollout of ad-supported plans were part of its success. The company also added 5 million new subscribers, bringing its total to over 247 million globally. However, Netflix warned that its advertising revenue, while currently rising, will not become a significant income stream until 2026. Social network Bluesky has seen a spike in user growth, quite a big one, with a 60% increase in new signups from the UK alone, driven by some dissatisfaction with X's recent changes. X made changes to its terms of service, its AI policies, and its blocking features. Bluesky added millions of users overall, many of whom say they're frustrated by X's recent updates. One of those is X aiming to steer its legal battles to Texas courts, which are considered more conservative, particularly for cases tied to free speech. The company has filed motions to move several lawsuits, including those related to its content moderation policies, to federal court in Texas. X also updated its privacy policy to allow third-party companies to use public posts to train their own AI models. Some people are obviously concerned about data privacy, as it could mean AI training without explicit consent. Google may learn today, Friday, if its request for a stay in the Epic versus Google ruling will be granted. In the meantime, the company has already asked the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals to issue an injunction to delay enforcing the judgment. The district court has ordered Google to implement several changes to Android by November 1st, allowing third-party app stores in Google Play, sharing the app catalog with third-party developers, and letting apps offer their own payment systems. Winamp removed its GitHub source code repository for the legacy player after briefly making it available to developers. The takedown was due to conflicts with the Winamp collaborative license, which mistakenly included proprietary software and code from other projects. The decision upset some folks in the open source community, including Winamp's original creator, Justin Frankel, who criticized the license terms as absurd. WP Engine has filed a federal lawsuit against Matt Mullenweg, that's Automatic CEO, alleging extortion and abuse of power over a trademark dispute. The lawsuit follows Mullenweg accusing WP Engine of profiting from the open source WordPress project without adequately contributing back, describing the company as a cancer to the community. WP Engine claims that Mullenweg's actions threaten both its businesses and the broader WordPress ecosystem. Finally, Google's Notebook LM, which generates podcast-like conversations from text, now includes a customize button that lets users guide the conversation with an additional prompt. The feature allows users to focus on a specific source, a topic, or audience. Google also launched a business pilot program to explore professional uses of the platform, expanding its reach into corporate environments. For more discussion of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. That's where you can find show notes and links to all these headlines there as well. I'm Sarah Lane. Thank you for listening and hope you have a great weekend.